in Project Zero, we wrote a class called N-Body to simulate the motion of planets in the universe due to the law of gravitation. There are 6 instance variables: x direction position, y direction position, x direction velocity, y direction velocity, mass, and image file. The core concept of physics behind this simulation is the gravitational law and Newton's second law. Here is a run of this program. As we can see that those 8 evenly spaced objects are in circular motion at the beginning. And now, here are something kind of weird happening. It's not in circular motion anymore. And we can see those 2 balls, 3 balls, and another 2 balls get kicked off from the screen very fast. The reason was that as 2 objects moving closer and closer to each other, the gravitational force increased dramatically. Hence, those 2 objects got a greater and a much larger acceleration. So, they pop off the screen very fast. In order to compensate, I took in consideration of the condition. In this time, I only did elastic condition. Before starting the simulation, there are 2 questions to answer. How do we know a condition happens? And what kind of new formula do we need? The new formula were found in Wikipedia, in the very bottom 2 lines here. All of those v1 prime, v1, and x1 are in vector form. So we can see v1 is the vector of x direction velocity of object 1 and y direction velocity of object 1. And then we're ready to start the simulation. I added 1 more parameter, radius, to the body object. And then I can call the check function on those 2 bodies, body 1 and body 2. The principle was that if the distance between the centers of those 2 bodies are less than the sum of their radius, then there must be a collision. And then I call elastic condition on body 1 and body 2 to update their final velocity and position. Here is another run of this updated version of a program. By using the same 8 objects, at this time we can see that the motion are smoother, and we can see the objects moving towards each other, collide, and bounce back. And then we can also compare the difference between those 2 simulations by the final state of each object. As we can see that without condition, the final x position of object 1 is 107. With condition, the final position of x direction of object 1 is negative 311. They differ dramatically. That's what I have done. Hope you enjoy it.